Jai Hind students. Today we are going to discuss about micro and macroeconomics. So it's just divisions of economics. So it has been divided into two. You can just see your syllabus. So first thing you have to study in the microeconomics is to know the concepts of micro and macroeconomics. So key differences that we are going to see. So first you have to know what is economics. Economics is that branch of knowledge which studies the process through which the resources which are scarce in nature are allocated to satisfy the unlimited wants of the people. So you know that wants of the people are unlimited, they have numerous wants. So resources are to be allocated in such a way that the demands of the people may be met. So that is known as what the economics. Okay, so it has been divided into two, micro and macroeconomics. So branches are micro and macroeconomics. So what is microeconomics? Microeconomics refers to that branch of economics which studies individual units. So you are studying only single person or single firm or single individual. So that is known as what a microeconomics. So it's a individual unit. So you can see various types of classification or points here. So first is product pricing, consumer pricing, factor pricing, firm behavior, industry location. So it's an individual things we are going to study in it. So macroeconomics is that branch of economics which deals with the economy as a whole instead of individual aspects. So we are taking into account the economy as a whole. So numerous things have been put in together to study. So that is known as what branch of economics which deals with the economy as a whole. So it's not an individual aspects, we are studying the economy as a whole. So we are calculating national income, general price level, employment level, level of saving and investment, balance of trade and balance of payment. So it has been taken into account as a whole. So we are just studying the difference between micro and macroeconomics. Microeconomics deals with the individual units and the effects of individual decision regarding the allocation of scarce resources. Macroeconomics deals with the aggregate or large scale units, that is the structure, behavior and decision making in an economy as a whole. So next micro has been taken from a Greek word micro and its meaning is small. Next Greek word term is also of macro, that is which is meant for large. So it in micro side it applies the operational or internal issues. So it in the macro side it applies the environment or external issues. So it's on the basis of application we are studying it. So next is micro. It's single economic variable such as demand, price, consumer. In macroeconomics, aggregate of economy such as national income, aggregate savings and aggregate outputs have been studied. So in macro side we are taking into account as a whole. So in micro side as it is individual, it's narrow term, and macroeconomics is wide term. So it's we are studying in large area. We are calculating the whole economy as a whole. So we are not taking into account a single term. We are taking into account a whole term in the macroeconomics. So microeconomics we are only taking single units, that demand of single individual, price, consumer, etc. of single things. Okay, so what next is central problem. What are the problems that are arising in the economy? So price determination and allocation of resources have been termed in microeconomics, and the determination of level of income and employment in the economy as a whole has been taken in macroeconomics. So microeconomics, it ascertains price of product and other factors of production, and in macroeconomics maintains stability in general price level and helpful in solving various problems of the economy. So these are the importance of a macro and microeconomics. So we are studying single unit in microeconomics. We are studying a large sector in the macroeconomics. So students, just go through the syllabus. This is your changed syllabus. So as due to COVID-19, some parts have been removed. So removed. After removing the parts, this is the syllabus. Kindly go through. As per this syllabus, we will be studying. Thank you.